94.1 WHRP, today's best variety of R&B. Tony with T Mill in the morning.
Yeah, good morning.
It is Monday, and the first Monday of April, and we're counting down to tax day.
Ooh.
I know.
But we have some help.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
And that said, good morning, Tish.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. Tish Hardrick and Associates. We are going to get some really great tips today. Financial moves to get a better tax refund this year. And we have 3 moves to make. That said, Tish, what's our first move?
Well, yes, Tony. The income taxes for Suave taxpayers always tend to be viewed as a year-round experience rather than a single event. And as the filing date approaches, taxpayers can still prep right now to ensure they receive the best possible tax refund, especially for next year. Get ahead this season by starting now by getting organized. Move number 1. As you start gathering all your tax-related documents, I recommend you organizing them in 4 categories: income items, deductions, life changes, and other. If you have a more complicated financial situation, it's better to have even more categories like self-employment, investments, and more. Doing this now instead of waiting until later during the tax season ensures you're going to have an easier time filing.
Okay, and move number 2.
Look for ways to reduce your taxable income. If you're able to do it, contribute a higher amount to your retirement accounts. For those with an IRA, be reminded that you have until April 17th, 2023 to make 2022 IRA contributions. So if you're age 72 or older and you have a traditional IRA or conventional pension plan, be sure you take your annual required deduction to avoid penalties.
All right, sounding good as we're approaching tax day, which this year will be what, on the 18th?
Yes.
All right, so we want everybody to remember, you may have a couple of days extra, but you definitely want to get everything in. I would say
ASAP.
Make that mark no later than the 15th. I think that's a good little benchmark. Nonetheless, we are talking to Tish Hardrick and Associates, and we have 3 moves for financial moves to get a better tax refund this year. And we're on our 3rd move. And what is that?
Lastly, Tony, for the next tax season, consider updating Form W-4. A common misunderstanding is that you can only fill out and update your W-4 when you start a new job. The truth is, taxpayers can consider updating this form because it allows you to control how much federal income tax is automatically withheld from each paycheck. Although it's too late this year to get a start on improving your tax situation, for next year, the next tax withheld is based on your filing taxes status. So how often you have your employer pay you, the expected income from your job and your other income deductions makes a difference. If you're close to owing taxes, or you're going to owe, or you think you're going to have a low refund, I recommend you increasing your withholdings to minimize or limit owing taxes or to increase your refund. You'll have until your last paycheck of the year to update those W-4s.
Outstanding. Some moves to make through this tax season. Also, Tish, you have an exciting event coming up, Wintergize. Can you tell us about Wintergize and what it's about and when it's happening?
Yes, Wintergize takes place on the 2nd Wednesday of each month at the Empowerment Center. And this is a power lunch hour. And we welcome professionals that are looking to just get empowered with that midweek boost. And this month, we have no other than Dr. Doc Watkins, who will be speaking about the power of a team. So this will be a phenomenal session you don't want to miss. Doc Rock, the author of the new hot-selling book that's out right now, No Bad Days, will be at the Empowerment Center, which is located at 2101 Seminole Drive in Huntsville, 12 o'clock noon. We hope to see you there. on April 12th.
Outstanding. And for more information for those that are starting a business or sustaining their business, how can they get in contact with you?
You can always contact us at thetishteam.com, where we are building foundations of success one step at a time with grants, consultancy, and careers.
Tony with T-Mill in the morning. Weekdays from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on 94.1 WHRP. Check in every Monday at 7:45 a.m. for the TNT Money Monday. Get money-saving tips from Tish Hardrick and Associates.
Let's focus on saving.
Every Monday at 7:45 a.m. Find out how to handle debt, plan for college fund, retirement, or travel and more.
Finding everyday savings.
Money saving and money making tips with Tish Hardrick and Associates. Money Monday on 94.1 WHRP.
We're building foundations of success one step at a time.